How to clear the canvas for redrawing. After experimenting with composite operations and drawing images on the canvas, I'm now trying to remove images and compositing. How do I do this? I need to clear the canvas for redrawing other images. This can go on for a while, so I don't think drawing a new rectangle every time will be the most efficient option. Given that canvas is a canvas element or an off-screen canvas object, get the canvas context, then context dot clear rect 0 0 canvas dot width canvas dot height. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.